right, so here it is, the damaged BMW M5. Still drives, and look at this deal, folks. It's a steal.
Hey, today is my favorite day of the week. It is auction day at Dubai Marhaba Auction. And not only is it auction day, today is $1,000 car day, meaning $1,000 cars are back at the auction. I was here last week and I started seeing cars sell for $500, $600, $700, $800, $900, even $1,000. That hasn't happened in years. Prices have been insane. To see cars sell for under $1,000 is huge. It means prices are coming down on everything, from cheap cars all the way to the top. Today, you're coming with me to the auction. You know what I always say. Okay. I did not expect to see this here. A Ferrari 488 GTB. I mean, just look at it. Front end took a serious hit. Bumpers cracked, splitters gone, headlights destroyed, and that front wheel doesn't look happy at all.
This Mercedes G-Class got hit from behind. Bumper crushed, trunk bent, taillights broken, even rear glass cracked. Rear damage is easier to fix than front end or suspension, but still expensive.
This BMW 5 Series really took a hit on the side. Doors are dented, paint scraped, side mirror gone. Airbags thankfully didn't deploy, so structure seems solid. Could be a solid buy if priced right. Let's get a closer look. Doors got crushed pretty badly, but interior is untouched. Frame looks okay, could be fixed without too much cost. Now this is a real auction car. Toyota Camry. Nothing crazy, no airbags, no massive crash, just a low-speed hit on the front corner. Bumper popped, paint scraped, fender bent a bit. Headlight still works, but you can see moisture inside. This is the kind of car people overlook.
Then we have this 2016 E-Class. Business in the front, total disaster in the back. The truck is folded like origami. But look at that rear door gap. It's still tight. That is the clue.
All right, this is where it gets serious. You can feel it in the room. Everyone's locked in. Bids are coming in fast. 5,000, 55, 6. You see how quick that was? No hesitation. Auctioneers watching everyone. Once it slows down.
So that's the win. We got the M5 on the truck. But honestly, the real work hasn't even started. I'm gonna be real with you. I don't know if this engine is dead or alive. If you want to see us tear this thing apart and find out if I just wasted my money, hit that subscribe button right now. Part 2 is the garage inspection, and you definitely don't want to miss that chaos. See you there.